What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Dash Lifestyle. Kindly for watching me for the first time, remember to subscribe, like, share and also comment. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back and watching my video. Thank you so much for the love and support, and greetings to my brothers and sisters all the way from Caribbean country. So guys, I have this video of angry Dominican lady who she's very angry about Dominican calling themselves they are Dominican. So the reason why this lady she's very angry is because of how Dominicans, they don't want to be associated with black people. So majority of Dominican, they are saying I'm not black, I'm Dominican, and yet when you go deep down to their history, you will find they are black. Majority of them, they are black people. So but they are refusing to be called a black. So this lady, she's very angry, and also she's lecturing Dominicans to accept their roots, to accept their color as black people. So guys, I want you to watch this video, then I will come back with more explanation.
Anti-black Dominicans, Dominicans who deny their blackness, came for me in the comment section. And as you can see, they want to be associated to the colonizer and not the slaves. They want to be associated with Europeans and not Africans. And even the white people in the Dominican Republic are the smallest minority, they still want to be associated with Europeans. And the funny thing is that everybody that was commenting is closer to being black than white. And that hurts them. This Empire King guy with the Dominican flag goes to every single video that talks about blackness in the Latin community to basically say the same thing he was saying in my comment section, like 100 comments just by him and another girl that is also a Dominican, a black Dominican in denial. Average Dominican is way more than 50% European. You're not even a quarter. Dominicans, the average Dominican is not 50% European. We have our own country and we don't have to fit to be embraced or accepted like African Americans in the United States. Haitians are literally our brothers. I have no Haitian sibling. Because in the video I said that Haitians are literally our brothers. We share a land. And this girl, Quisqueya, come on, that's what we call our country. And her username is Quisqueya. You can see where I'm going with this one. The answer is simpler than that, but you want to turn it on Dominicans for clout like you always do. I have like 100 other comments from her too, denying her blackness. And she even mentioned something about me being racist towards Mexican and Haitians at the border when I was clearly defending them. I defend Haitians from whatever atrocities are committed against them in the Dominican Republic. And yes, that doesn't make me any less Dominican. I just accept the facts the way they are, and I acknowledge when something is wrong, even if it's the country that I was born in and that I grew up in. Something apparently they cannot do because apparently that makes them less patriotic. As you can see here, the majority of Dominican people identify as mixed race, which includes mestizo or indio and mulatto. A smaller percentage of Dominican people identify as black and even a smaller percentage as white. And as you can see, only a small percentage of Dominican accept their blackness. The other ones are black, but they just don't identify as such, because they are a little bit lighter than the Dominican that identifies as black. But the fact that they decide to reject their blackness does not mean that they are not black, and does not mean that our country is mostly black. And I'm gonna make another video to talk more about history and why there's this anti-blackness in the Dominican Republic, where I don't have to cite all of these racist Dominicans who are denying their blackness, because honestly, it's tiring. But I'm tired of Dominicans and Latin people denying our African roots.
So guys, you have heard what this lady she has said, and also this lady she is saying that why the Dominicans, they are rejecting their blackness. You know, we have a lot of black people in Dominican, but when you ask them, are you a black, she will tell you, he or she will tell you that I'm not a black, I'm Dominican. Why are they rejecting the black people? Why are they rejecting the black color in Dominicans? So guys, this lady also, she's being threatened by her fellow Dominican people by saying what is going on in Dominican, by exploring, by exposing why Dominicans, they are rejecting the blackness, or why they don't want to be called the black people. So guys, the reason why these Dominican people, they don't want to be associated with black or even Africa, it is because of how they are seeing how Africa it is. Because they know when you be called black people, most of black people, they are being associated with a lot of struggle, a lot of poor. That's why the Dominicans, they don't want to be called black people, because of how they are being told about the black people. The black people comes with a lot of struggle. Black people comes with a lot of rejection. Black people comes with a lot of, they are poor. And that's why a lot of Dominicans, they don't want to be called the black, although when you look at them, their color, they are black. So these people, why are they want to be associated with the Europe? Why are they trying to be associated with their colonizers? Also, another reason, most of Dominicans, when they are going to United States, also majority of them, they don't want to be associated with black Americans. Because if when you ask them, are you black? They will tell you, no, I'm not a black. Are you white? No, I'm not a white. Then who are you? They will tell you, I'm Dominican. It is because they don't want to be treated how they are treating black people in United States. That's why they are avoiding to be called black people. Yeah, because they know, oh, when you are in United States, if you are being called, if you will say I'm a black, they will give you less opportunity. So they denying the white, also they are denying their blackness. So they will say I'm Dominican, and majority of them, they usually say like that. And also, let me tell you guys, you know, if you speak Spanish, and speaking Spanish and French will not make you to be the Spanish or the Spain speaking, that it is a language. But you yourself, you are an African, you are black people, you are brought there during the slave. Your forefather, your ancestry roots, it is from Africa. This is the reason why I love Jamaica, because Jamaica, they have accepted their roots from Africa. Majority of them, they embrace Africa. But what about Dominican Republic? They don't want to be associated with any races. They are only Dominican. Yeah, for me, I'm so proud of this lady. She's saying the truth about Dominicans. She's exposing why these Dominicans, they are denying their roots. But when she's saying this thing, now you can see majority of Dominicans, now they are coming, threatening her for just speaking the truth. Yeah, she's educating more Dominicans about this. Why are you denying your roots from Africa? You want to be associated with your colonizers. Imagine you want to be associated with the Europeans. You are denying Africa because of how you see Africans. There is a lot of struggle. Why are you denying your roots from Africa? And also go to your history. Majority of you are coming from Africa. Go to your ancestry history. Your ancestry came from Africa. Yeah, for now I acknowledge that you are a Dominican. You are born in Dominicans. That makes you to be a Dominican. That's your country. But where you came from, where your grandfathers came from, it is here in Africa. So that one now you cannot change. You can change the language, you can speak Spanish, but you cannot change where you came from. You cannot change your roots. You cannot change your color. If you are black, you are black. Yeah, don't deny your African roots because of seeing how Africans, there is a lot of struggle. Instead of you denying Africans, come and help Africans. Yeah, that's how we grow. And this is the reason why Africans people, they don't want to help each other. Instead of coming and help your fellow Africans, now you are denying your roots. You want to be associated with the white. If your African fellow, he has a shop, you will not come to shop to your African to the African shop. You will going to shop to the white people shop. Yeah, and this is the truth about Africans. We love other races than our race. Yeah, majority of Africans, they really support other races. They will support Chinese, they will support Indians. In business, when they open business, they are the first people to go and shop with their shop. But when African open a business, you cannot go to support your fellow Africans. You support other races, and that's why that's why someone said that in the whole world, African people, they are the most stupid people in the whole world because of how they are supporting other races than their race. I did a video of a Chinese lady saying that the stupid races in this world, they are the black people. Yeah, and also she gave out an example. Go and check my previous video. And these are the same reason why Dominicans, they don't want to be associated with black. They love other races. So it's the high times that Africans, we should come together. Africans, we should support each other. Don't deny your rights. Don't deny your ancestral history. It's the highest time that we support each other. If African it is poor, yes, we agree it is poor because these white people came here and do something to our African nation, then they left. So one thing I know, if Africans will start printing our money, if they will allow Africans to print our own money, African, it will be the richest continent in the world. Because Africans, we have a lot of things. We have gold, we have oil. The only thing they are denying Africans, it is to print our own money. So guys, don't deny your roots from Africa. All of us, we are Africans because of the less opportunity that Africans they have. So you are denying your roots from Africa. You are telling people, no, I'm not African, I'm Dominican. But yet we can see your color. This lady, she has said we have a lot of black people in Dominican. We have a lot of black people. When you look at them in their face, they are black, but they are denying their roots from Africa. Yeah, this lady, she has said that. I'm not the one who said. So guys, I want to stop there. I don't want to add anything anymore. Let's talk to the comment section. And guys, if you haven't liked this video, like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to a lot of people. Subscribe if you haven't. Share with your friends, with your family. And guys, see you on my next one. Bye bye guys.